Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're good and I hope you started off your new year well. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time here, welcome on board and let's get creative together. So I decided to start off this new year by showing you guys how to make this top that I have on. And I think this is the easiest top that I've ever made because you only need a t-shirt and a pair of scissors and you're good to go. And also you're going to be seeing more of these videos on how to recycle, upcycle clothes because I have realized that you guys love them and also I love doing them. And also those who know me when I started, way before even I knew I could join YouTube, my initial idea was upcycling and recycling old clothes. Even the very first products that I launched were made from old clothes. So I'm very happy that I'm going back to my initial idea. So welcome on board. Grab a pair of scissors, grab a t-shirt, and let's begin making this t-shirt. So this t-shirt has this V-shaped detail here and also some cold shoulders, and also this is how it looks at the bottom. I really liked how it turned out, so if you're interested, stick around, and also let's meet in the next video. Remember to share, like, and comment. Bye.